Hello everybody, let's solve homework week 7 section 17.5 question 17.5.27 and put my computer in laptop mode here or in notebook mode. That way I can write, pull up a keyboard so I can put my answers in. Alright, so the function is f function of x equals x squared minus x plus 8. So all we need to do is plug these numbers in, substitute these numbers for the variable x. So 9 squared minus 9 plus 8. We're going to have 81 minus 9 plus 8. Put my calculator here. 81 minus 9 plus 8 equals 80. For this one here, we're going to have negative 9 squared minus negative 9 plus 8. So negative 9 squared minus negative 9 plus 8 equals 98. And then we're going to have 0 squared minus 0 plus 8. That's going to be equal to 8. Let's plug these numbers in over here. So for the first one, we have 80. For the second one, we had 98. And for the third one, we had 8. Let's check our answer. Alright, guys, that's pretty simple. You just take the number given and plug it in for the variables, and that'll give you the function of x there. Thank you, guys.